All right, I've got another picture to do selective color on. And in this picture, I was having a tough time taking a picture of our dog because she gets too excited. So my husband had to come down close and like hold on to her. So in the case of this picture, I think it's going to make it a better picture to eliminate some of the focus on like my husband's arm and leg and stuff. I want that to recede into the background and be like extraneous compared to the adorable puppy with giant tongue. That's the main focus of my picture. So I'm going to use a different tool. Last time I showed you the magic wand tool. This other tool in the same spot as magic wand is called the quick selection tool. So to toggle between tools, you hold your mouse down for a few seconds on top of the tool, and then this menu appears. So here we go, quick selection tool. That's the one I want. And now I am going to select the pup. And so this one's kind of interesting. You use this little weird X thing to sort of drag around the part of the picture that you want selected. So here I'm kind of trying to add, and you can see it's added some stuff I didn't want it to add. So I'll go back and fix that in a minute, but first I'm going to try and get the rest, get the rest of her leg. So this is a great start where I'm at. Now I need to add and subtract. So just like I talked about in the last video, Alt takes away. So I'm holding down Alt now, and I'm going to drag the magic or quick selection tool around her head and just try to shave off. There we go. Perfect. Now it's just her, and then I'm going to do the same thing. Hold down Alt and get right there, that little slice in between her ear. Right there on that edge. And then to add, I'm gonna get rid of this too. Best I can. There. Perfect. And now I want to get this other leg in there, of course. So to add, I go Shift, and then now I'm going to drag around her leg down to her paw. And then, a bunch of stuff got added. So I'll go Alt again and try and remove parts that I want to remove, including this part here. Perfect. It gets tricky when the colors are close. It has a harder time figuring out what edge you want. Okay, and then I'm going to hold down Shift again to add. I'm going to try and get this doggy leg. Perfect. And then Alt again to remove this. Awesome. Oh wait, I do want that. That's her tail. So Shift to drag back over it again, actually. Perfect. And then now I'm going to Shift and try and just get that little paw. And I got a little bit too much there, so I'm going to Alt again. Try. There. Okay. So now I'm just going to do a quick cursory glance, make sure, okay, it looks like just the puppy is selected. So now I need to go up to Select, and I need to go to Inverse, right? So that the part that isn't selected is the dog, so that that part stays color and the rest becomes black and white. Now I go Image, Adjustments, Black and White. And that looks so great. It really helps. And one thing I forgot to do, so we'll press cancel, I forgot to refine my edge. So I think it's important to do this each time. And in this case, it's looking really good. I think I'm going to add a little bit to the radius area, just to help. A bit. Maybe like there. Press OK. And now we'll go to, oops, image adjustments, black and white. And that just looks so great. I really don't think there's anything else I need to do here, so I'm just going to press OK. And we'll go select, deselect, and beautiful. And I really think that that improves this photo to really just make the focus what I want it to be, the dog. So that's another way that you can use selective color to emphasize one thing in particular and make it kind of stand out. So now we go Save for Web and Devices, Preset JPEG High, press Save. Now this one, I'm going to call it Sierra because that's my dog's name. Selective. And go Save. And then